Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a banner in Squarespace. So head over to squarespace.com and log into your account. From your dashboard, click on Edit Site. Then click on Edit again. This will open the website editor. A banner is usually placed at the very top of your page, probably below the navigation menu. So hover your mouse below the navigation menu and click on Add Section. Here, Squarespace will show you different section templates like events, products, testimonials, and many more. If you want full control, just select blank section. This will give you an empty section that you can customize however you want. So inside the section, click on Add Block. And to start, let's choose a text block. Right here. Let's scale the text. And we can resize it. Or change the color. To add an image, click on Add Block again, and let's choose the block image this time. Click on the plus icon. Then you can upload an image from your computer. Choose one from your library, or use Squarespace stock images. You can also add a button if you want your banner to link to another page, product, or promotion. Don't forget to attach the link right here. To change the background of your banner, hover over this section and click on Edit Section. From here, you can change the background color, add a background image or video, or use a art. You can switch the themes so the text and buttons matches your website's design. Once you're happy with how your banner looks, make small adjustments to spacing, alignment, and colors if needed. When everything looks good, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.